Kuya, finish your Oreo. Finish it. Wala na, ano na. Step in the name of alas 12 na, ng AM. Si Bunso. Etong batang to, hindi pwedeng maiwan mag-isa eh. Ano? Ha? Huli ka, no? Huli ka, no? Anong inangat-ngat-ngat-ngat-ngamat mo dyan? Ikaw talaga, pag wala kami dyan, ha? Pag wala kami, kung ano-anong hinangat-ngat mo dyan. Ha? Masarap ba yan? Bunso? Bunso? Masarap po ba yan? Masarap po yan? Ha? Masarap po yan? Ano? Masarap po? Ikaw huling-huli ka na. Point ka. Ano? Atong baka Ayan, punong-puno ng punong-puno ng pillow yung kapaligiran, yung mga gilid-gilid niya dyan. Ito naman si Kuya Yusuf nagtatatalo. Ayan.
Sa'yo ako kakabahan. Ang kuya never.
Ayaw niya dito eh. Gusto niya talaga doon. Ito naman si Habibti. Ayan. Si Kuya Yusuf kumakain dito habang nanonood. Si Bunso, ayun. Ayun, iyo. Ano? Say hi. Welcome. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. But you have to look at here in the camera.
Here.
Hi
Guys, welcome to my vlog.
Wait, I will fix your hair so you become more pogi. Again, come here. Again. Hi guys.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Tata yung toys.
Yung toys. You want to show his toys? These toys?
Yes, this toy.
And this, Oreo. Si Bunso, busy,
Yung helicopter.
Wow, helicopter. You show them your toys?
Yeah.
Okay na.
No,
Sige na, bye-bye na guys. Sige you want to show them your new toys?
Yeah.
Show them your new toys.
Here. See?
Wow. Great job. Wow. Nanay bought you a new toys, right?
Yes.
Wow.
And put my toys also.
Say thank you to nanay po. Okay guys. Sige na, bye-bye guys.
Okay guys.
I love you.
First helicopter kiss.
Flying kiss. Say bye-bye guys. I love you all.
Bye-bye guys. I love you all. Also here.
Kiss me first.
Helicopter.
Helicopter. Kiss me also. Mwah, love you. Nanay, putahan mo yung Bunso. Putahan nga natin to. Kulit eh. Thank. Can I have some? It's so yummy. Oh no! Siya. Yun. Okay. Pilas na pala niya.
Tipog.